What's going on, Jarvis Nation? Darby here. Want to introduce you to the Letter to Santa recipe. Now, this is a recipe that you can use to generate a heartstring pulling emotional letter to get Santa to bring you what you want for Christmas. But the way that I think you can set it up here is that you can actually replace this to turn it into any sort of like holiday card, special event, birthday, Thanksgiving, Easter, any holiday that you want. Just replace in these right here with what we're saying. This is a blank Christmas card to a letter to Santa. I'm asking for what I want. Make the letter blank to pull on, Santa's heartstrings. Sign off as my name. So what I want for Christmas this year is a new drum set, and so I want this letter to be emotional and to really emphasize to Santa that I need this letter. And so what I've done here is I filled out the content brief right over here below. Obviously, you can add in your tone of voice for anything right there. But what do I want? I want a new drum set. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to give it the Command Shift J. And here we go. We've got a letter to Santa being generated to us. Santa, I hope you are doing well. I'm asking for a new drum set for Christmas. I've been a very good boy this year, and I promise to use it responsibly. I really need a new drum set to replace my old one, which has been damaged. I promise that I will use it to make beautiful music, not beat my brothers with it. Thank you for your time and consideration. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Sincerely, Darby. Great. Cool. So obviously you can modify as needed in that sense, but hey, just have a little bit of fun with this, and keep in mind that just modify any of these prompts here. This could be this could be a request from a significant other for what you want for dinner this evening, right? You could be basically anything that you want to write directly to someone else in a really short, quick, concise format. And so that being said, good luck and hope you get what you want for Christmas this year.